Our Haʻawina ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi for today is how to say mother and father. Repeat after me. E hoʻopili mai. Makua hine. Maikaʻi. So makua means a parent, an adult. Hine is female. And makua hine traditionally wasn't just for mother. It also was a term that we used for aunties, all the wahine that helped to raise you, because it was very much a communal lifestyle. So all the aunties were referred to, that were pili or close to you, were referred to as makua or makua hine. The other word, repeat after me, is makua kane. And you hear the kane in there, so you know that it's a male adult that cares for you. It's not just your father, it's also a term that was used for all your uncles. And today we use the words anake and anakala for auntie and uncle, but traditionally they were all makua. Malama pono. Ahui ho.